For the first time in history, a baby takes his first step, not on Earth, but on the moon. Tiny footprints press into the gray dust, leaving marks that will last for eternity. He doesn't see danger, he sees a playground made of stardust. Each handful of lunar dust drifts slowly into the air, glowing like diamonds under the silent sun. History whispers to him, reminding him of the giants who came before. The echoes of Apollo, the dreams of explorers, all resting in the flag that still stand, faded yet proud. For him, weightlessness isn't a mission, it's a game. He floats above the surface, arms reaching out like wings, chasing the stars as if they belong to him. And then he pauses, standing at the edge of a vast crater. His tiny hand rises, waving across the darkness of space. From one small soul to an entire planet, Baby Armstrong waves hello.